Hi, my name's Kumara. I'm doing the pattern cutting footwear course and I'm doing it at the London College of Fashion. I have a background in fashion design, but I currently work as a footwear designer at ASOS.com. I see myself taking the skills that I've learned here and bringing them back to work to help me in terms of my design process, help me to communicate with suppliers better, just to understand that whilst my ideas might be wild and wonderful, there has to be an element of practicality to it, and learning that here has really kind of driven that home. Think of like an inspiration, do loads of research on it, whether it be through like shapes, history, previous designers' like approaches to it. And then you make your collages, your mood boards, you pull inspiration for your line and your shape, and then you start applying that to the model that you want to put it on. So whether it's clothing, whether it's footwear, you start doing your sketches, you can start kind of collaging with different shapes. And then from that point on, you can choose to either go directly into a pattern or design it 3D or just have fun with it, really. Legend. He knows his stuff, undeniably. He knows his stuff. And he will make sure that you have a knowledge of not only what you're doing and what you would learn in a class, but also how it applies to industry. So where like a lot of courses, they can kind of train you in the way of approaching like design or construction or pattern cutting in the way that's appropriate for like education and like universities, but NAFI really kind of adapts his approach for you to understand how it works in industry. So once you leave, you have that industry mindset already, so you already have a jump on like other students in different courses or different schools. He really has that eye for industry and he knows his stuff. Come with an open mind. Understand that if you have all these wild ideas, you can attain them, but come with a kind of practical mind on how you can attain these ideas, and don't be afraid to ask for help. There's really great lecturers here.